This is the Gen 2 kiosk. Will be actually similar to Gen 1 kiosk. Okay, this is a Gen 3 kiosk, but we're going to do Gen 2 kiosk because it's the same. So if you look at the kiosk, the touchscreen is here. Obviously, there's a camera here. Passport scanner is here. All right. Then this one will be the barcode scanner. This will be the sticker paper coming out here. Obviously, the items, the card will drop from here. So Fana is going to open everything, and then we're going to just to stop this software, and then we start from again. All right, the printer is here. All right, and then this is the printer. You can actually pull this out. Okay, then you see the roll of sticker paper in case you need to use. There's a UPS there, but if your UPS is not working, all these have to be directly plugged to the power supply because the UPS died very fast. Okay, so this is the main thing. So the printer connector is here, cable, power cable, and whatnot. This is where you typically will pull in and out to reset the printer. And then this is the paper, the card. Fana will just do a keyboard, and then we just alternate F4 to switch off already, to disable the software. Don't switch off first. Okay, alternate F4. Okay, like that. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. Let me go through the printer first. To open the printer, we just press this button. It's an Evolis printer, similar as the Zebra, but customized for kiosk one. Ribbon is different. Okay, this will be the ribbon. So this actually is the print head. So the encoder head might be somewhere here. We're not sure. Alright, where's the encoder head? So this is a roller, similar like the ZX3 printer. Alright, and then they roll in here and just print the card, and the card will come out at the bottom. Right, the card will drop into the compartment here. Okay, so this is how you fill the card. You take your card and you fill it in. Normally for Gen 1, Gen 2 kiosk, we will fill 75% until here. We discover if you are too full, it always get jammed. Okay, remember at the bottom is still 35 at the bottom here. Okay, you will still do somewhere around 35 for the cut. Right? Okay, or else you'll get jammed. Okay, so this one is go down. Right. Okay, then you can just make the ribbon tidy up a bit. Right, so can Fana roll the ribbon a bit? Just roll the ribbon. Okay, and we just put it in, and you just cover it up like that. Okay. Alright, so then this the thing to weigh down the card will go in here. Then you can just push it in, all the way in. Alright, then you just close. And obviously the key, you lock it here. Now let's go behind. I'm going to be behind. Okay, this is the back of the kiosk. Alright, obviously the LCD touchscreen is here. If the touchscreen got some issue, typically we just pull out the power adapter, the power point here, and then plug it back. You will reset, or we'll pull out a USB. Okay, the VGA connector is here. So all this one, this is a LCD, and then this is the 3M scanner. This is also using power and USB. And then this is actually the Honeywell barcode reader, and the card printer. This is a label printer, and all of them are connected either to the computer, directly to computer USB port, or to the USB. This one is already without the cover. The USB hub is without the cover. So this is a PC that power the whole thing. All right, it's a bit slow, but this is a PC. Right, so all the connector goes below here. Whether it's the USB, VGA. Okay, so all of them will be housed inside. Right, so normally we'll just plug a keyboard to the USB hub, alternate F4, then you will go into Windows desktop. Okay, so normally we will start when you power up, we will alternate F4 and go to this, then we'll do a debug. Debug is actually a utility they wrote to check the printer, mainly the printer lah. And you see you got debug, change card, change ship, and the kiosk itself. Okay, so let's try debug. If you do print card, okay, let's look at the bottom. Card will be filled in. I'm going to put my hand below here to receive. Okay, this is a test card with the test data. So just to show that the items are configured properly. So let's put one here, cover up the camera. Alright. Then you have the Evolis software. Okay, this is actually the software to control the printer. Remember, this unit of printer is called Evolis KC200. Right? It must always be ready, and if you press the button here, hold, you can disable or enable control by Evolis. The software need to work through this Evolis Print Center. Alright? The kiosk software, kiosk QCCI software. So if it's not supervised by Evolis, then it won't work. This printer status will tell us if there's ribbon jam, ribbon ended, or any mechanical error. So maybe now I just need to enable supervision. You'll see that it will tell me the printer is ready, and the status, monochrome ribbon, black ribbon, and capacity. So if I open the cover, right, you see cover open, right? So cover open. So if I press it down again, you see the cover. Just check the ribbon. No ribbon at the moment. Detected got ribbon, then ready. Okay. So this is debug. So you will do this every time. All right. Obviously, you will have your 3M scanner, driver, uploader. All these should be preloaded in the printer, in the kiosk setup system. Alright, Gen 1 should all these be set up ready. And then let's say we see the sticker printer, is it working or not? Okay. This is encode for Dream Cruise. Right? This actually current one is encode for Genting Dream because it was set up originally as Genting Dream. Anyway, this is a test print. Right? But we think Malaysia will not be using this sticker. Okay, so this is just a test. We can leave this behind, then you can go and look at changing card. But Malaysia will be using one kind of card, so there should not be a need for changing card. Let us double click this. Close this. Go back. Change card not working. I'll try change ship. Or is it because something is running on the background? Remember, Gen 1 and Gen 2 are very old PC, so it might be a bit slow. Alright, so actually we are on WorldDream, so I just tap on WorldDream, but they will launch the software immediately. Then you look at the card. This one is using red card, so I just tap red card for balcony rooms, and then you will launch the software. So you download the software again from the cloud. Please make sure this unit must be cable connected to the network, or you will use a USB adapter. Okay, let me see, is there a USB adapter on this unit? Okay, I don't think this one got USB adapter, but this one should be cable physically to the switch here, and then it's using this cable. Alright? Right, this unit got no USB adapter, but most of the other kiosks got a wireless and Ethernet port, because we typically will use both. Right, and here you see the speed. Right, so when it's loaded, you ask you self check-in, scan documents, scan face, scan QR code. Normally in Singapore we use scan document because we scan passport. right? In Malaysia, you might scan QR code. I'm not sure. We'll see what is the Malaysia system for Penang SPC. Right? Chances are we might scan this, scan your passport here, then we'll pay now. Or scan your my card. Scan my card here. Alright, so this is Gen 2 kiosk, similar to Gen 1. Right? We will need to go through, later we'll show you one round of cleaning.